What's up, guys? We got to talk about the real estate market, especially in San Francisco, right? The Bay Area is one of the most expensive real estate places in the world. And before the pandemic, I could say it was like a $1 trillion real estate market. You have skyscrapers being worth like 400, 500, 700 million dollars. You have billion-dollar boulevards just filled with expensive mansions. I mean, it was like a sight to behold. It was a very expensive place, San Francisco. But what about now? Check out this article here. Despite the crisis, San Francisco housing permits fall to a 13 low. This is really bad. There's basically no construction in San Francisco. Now, if you look at anywhere around the US, there's construction everywhere. Look at this. Austin, the amount of new homes is crazy. There's about 11,000 homes for sale in the Austin metropolitan area. And if you just type in the new construction, anything from 2021, look at this. 5,000 homes. And when you remove the restrictions and the filters on Zillow, look at the amount of homes. Almost 50% of all the homes in Austin are new construction. Though it's not normal, you get the idea. They're building homes like crazy because there's still some buyers on the market. San Francisco's real estate market is sold cold right now that there's not a single construction company that wants to come in here. In fact, San Francisco already lost some of the biggest construction projects, right? One of them is going to be the infamous Hayes Point. I mean, they already bulldozed the land, even got some machinery. They were supposed to build a massive skyscraper like this and generate billions of dollars of revenue. But guess what happened? It's now just a sad, empty plot of land. Even though it's right next to literally Twitter, Uber, Reddit, and several other small startups, nobody wants to be here. And the amount of people constructing homes is so low. There are no new construction condos in San Francisco anymore. But if you go to like New York City, type in just Manhattan, right? The amount of new construction is crazy. I know people say bad things about New York, and yes, people leave New York, but look at the amount of new homes that's being generated from Manhattan alone, right? That is a lot of new construction projects. Pages and pages. You got about like 20 or 30 buildings and skyscrapers in Manhattan right now that are under construction, brand new. Not to mention, if you put in like the ones from, Brooklyn, Queens, and Hoboken and Jersey City, even more new construction towers. I mean, these new construction units are everywhere in New York City, despite all the bad press, because people are still buying, but nobody's buying San Francisco condos. And check this out. Abandoned San Francisco condos at 1554 Market Street, poised for transformation into rentals. And you know what's really bad about this? Even rentals can't even hold the market anymore. Because if you look at 1554, this isn't like a bad condo at all. I mean, I could say it has a beautiful design, a little bit of a boutique design, but overall, the structure itself looks good. I mean, if you put this condo in Singapore, Sydney, or Toronto, I guarantee you get sold out within just a few months, right? But apparently they have 109 units and not a single one of them have sold. And they're thinking about going to the rental market because they can't sell a single unit in the past 3 years. That's pretty bad considering new construction condos in San Francisco don't even have that much competition. Nobody wants to buy it. And what's worse, they want to be rentals. Well, guess what? Right around the corner, you got this building right here, which is the NEMA building, which is around this area. They can't survive either. This building is doing rentals too, but they're about to default on their $250 million loan because they don't have enough tenants. So I don't really think turning into rentals is good at all. But when you have whole entire buildings that can't sell a single unit, and the landlords are just scratching their heads about what to do because they have already lowered the price by double-digit percentages, but nobody wants them, it's over, right? And the rest of the Bay Area, like Brooklyn Basin, these beautiful rentals in Oakland, they're right next to the highway, which you could access it directly to the San Francisco-Oakland Bridge and then to San Francisco. This is Oakland's newest waterfront destination. It's actually fairly nice for the working tech bros, but they've pretty much halted construction. They're supposed to build the other half at 2024. They've stopped construction because most of the units are completely empty. There's no construction left in San Francisco and the rest of the Bay Area. Things are only going to get worse, and I don't think 2024 will have any sort of good bounce for the San Francisco real estate market. And before guys leave, make sure you check out the private Discord server, guys. Patreon link below for some amazing trades. We trade live on a daily basis every single day. 7-day free trial, and a lot of our trades are actually making money. So trade with us, guys. Make some money with us. It's a great server. Even I use it. It's super easy to use, actually, and we have video tutorials to help. Any questions, just DM me on Patreon or Discord. I'm always here. See you later.